Hey everyone, so after all the updates I did to this this Blade Fusion 360 Smart, I wanted to do the first test flight for you. Well, I've flown it before, but I'm just going to let you see what it looks like now. So we changed out the ESC, we changed out everything on the tail. It's 4S now, and it's got KST servos. So that's basically the major stuff that was done, other than the repairs and things from a small crash. Let's see how it works out. Okay, so let's get up there. Hopefully we don't have any more air traffic. I had a little bit today, so I had to wait. Okay, so I'm gonna switch. Okay, I'm in normal mode, switch off, and let's get up there.
Normal mode.
Get back a little. It's coming up. Off the ground. Idle up. So that's what it looks like. We'll let it get up there. So that's idle up 1. Show you. This is idle up 2. It's pretty quick. Yeah. I'll go back to idle up 1. Tail performance is pretty good. Has pretty powerful stops. Do ascending. Tail stays locked in pretty good. It walks a little bit, but it's pretty much staying where it should be. So let's do a little flight for you. My hands are cold, but that's okay. I mean, yeah, it flies really good. Servos seem to work just fine on this model. Little loop for you. See how fast it... Well, we probably can't see that well. Looks like another plane. That's okay. He's pretty quick. I'm still not going to push him all the way this low to the ground. But everything seems to be working really good. The biggest limitation here is my piloting skills, I guess. We'll do a backflip. Front flip. Go upside down. I wish I could have got out here a little earlier for you, but it's getting dark. But hey, it's better than nothing. Yeah, he's doing pretty good, so yeah, I really like this model. I'm happy I got it. And just fly around, you know.
KST 15.2 volts, 17 amps, 126 Fahrenheit.
He's staying pretty cool too with this new ESC. Other than that, yeah, there's really nothing to complain about. Front flip while moving forward. Bring them back. Whoop. I usually fly much higher than this, like 3 mistakes high, but it gets harder to see on camera, so I'm trying to bring it really close. I'm not used to that.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Oh, 1 minute left. Yeah, so it all worked out. As you can see, the tail is really tight. I like my tail very authoritative, so to speak. Holds really well, no wagging, not that I could see. No crazy vibrations, no nothing. So tell me what you think, other than my mediocre pilot skills. All right, so let's bring him in for a landing. So I'm gonna put him into normal mode here. Whoa! Whoa! Wow, what am I doing there?
Hold mode.
And there you go. He's down. A little crooked. All right, thanks. See you in the next one. Hope you liked it. Bye.